shot, Shelby. I love you, baby. But what if we microwave this?
Finish laundry. Go to sleep.
No, the laundry's good. I love you, bro. Thank you for the donation. But what if we microwave the fucking? What if we microwave? Oh shit! If we microwave the fucking phone, dude. God damn. Spam microwave the phone. 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 Hey. Oh shit! There's a microwave. There's a microwave. Let's see if there's a microwave phone option. Microwave the phone. You goddamn right, brothers. You goddamn right, brothers.
Take this, you whore. Battery explosion.
What's the worst thing that can happen? What's the worst that can happen? Let me get a little spooge on this shit. It smells like burnt anus in this bitch. Oh shit, no. Yeah. Oh my god, it smells so shit in here. Gushy. Gushy? No. No. I gotta go. Before I go, let's take a Jägerbomb because that's retarded. And holy shit. I love you, Shelby Renee. Let's go. Shit. Maybe just a little bit more? No. No. Alright, we're just gonna go outside for a minute and we'll figure it out. Hey, let's find the phone, dude. Oh, there it is. Goddamn right, brother. Goddamn right, brother. We're gonna figure it out. Hey. Alright, brothers. Hi, stream. Is that whatever? Microwaves are forever. What up, Jess? Figure it out, brothers. We're doing some shots. Let's figure it out, bitch. Let's go, brothers. I really appreciate all you guys. Oh.
That's your microwave. Bro, did you microwave it again?
No, it's done. Sorry, it's already done, bro. Throw it in the garbage. Throw it in the garbage.
I would recommend not microwaving it because if you break my microwave, you're gonna have to pay for it. Just throwing it out there.
I don't have the money for that. Hey, I just like, they want me to do it. They want me to do it.
Alright, I mean, that's fine. But if you break,
No,
if you break the microwave, you're gonna have to pay for it.
No, I would never do that to you, bro. Okay, well, this shit is hot as fuck.